Barton.
Yeah? Simone, I know I mess up real bad. But I just want to give me a chance to prove to yourself.
A chance for the what? A chance to prove to who? Not me. That shit they don't see a long time. You meet me here, I for just make arrangement if you can see your son.
So, yeah, tell me that there's no hope.
Hope? No hope garden, no hope pastures, no hope road, no farmer hope, sir.
Simone, I'm really sorry to say how you feel.
When she was at high school, I'm a faithful to you right through. I know you never seen it, but you never disrespect me yet. With no woman at all. You treat me good. Until that one time when you put your hand on me.
And you just walk out on me, so?
Because that have to show you something around them joke there. And don't interrupt me when me attack. You know say your sister-in-law no like me. And my worse no like her. And she sleep with. And after 18 years she still I behave like something beneath her. Eh? You say me should have known. You say me see the girl steer upon you the night there, you know. You should have known son up to something.
What? Simone, it never did for happen.
But it happened, Carlton. And it happened with she. Me you can't in nothing again after this. I'm not going to deprive you of seeing your son, but I this between me and you.
Simone, all me can say is sorry. And thanks for agreeing to make me see CJ. I don't know what I do if I don't have him in my life.
You done? That's all?
Yeah.
You know why I did leave the night of the house opening?
No, you never tell me why you did leave.
Look like the two of you keep secret from the night there.
Simone, why you did leave?
You want to know now? You see when your brother did a dance with me? He whispered in my ears. And I said, if I don't want to try out the big brother too.
Try out?
Yeah. Like how you try out Michelle. Or she try out.